Hey guys, Dave again, HD Trucks and Equip. We're located in Apache Junction, Arizona, which is the eastern suburb of the greater Phoenix area. And we sell trucks. We sell medium and heavy duty trucks. Everything from heavy haul tractors, bucket trucks, crane trucks, dump trucks, flatbed, stake bodies, you name it, we pretty much have it. Just got in a couple of cool ones over here. These are tandem axle. One's a stake body and the other one's a flatbed. Pretty cool, kind of hard to find and very low mileage on them. But I want to talk to you today about an 2009 International 4300 series. Obviously this is a previous government truck. Very clean, very low miles. It's exactly what everybody is looking for. Being an 09 that does not have Dept. Look at the tires on that. It's a phenomenal truck. This is an 09, so even though that says max force on it, don't let that worry you. They did not change the DT 466 until 2011. So as long as it's 2010 or older, you still got a good motor. And that's what this is. Look at that. Holy mackerel, it's like it just came out of the box. What a clean truck. Toolbox right there, of course it's solid, there's nothing wrong with that. Full-size spare. And it looks to me, I don't know if you can see that or not, don't look like that's even ever been on the ground. This has steel stakes on it. I like that. It's got the lockers on the stakes so they don't come out on you. It has an Aero power tarp. And I'll show you that in a few seconds when we get to the front of the truck. Look at the rear tires on this thing. Goodyears. Those are not caps, those are the real McCoy. Such a nice piece. Nice heavy duty self-loading liftgate on it. Nice piece. That does everything. You don't have to pull your guts out trying to lift that heavy thing up in the air. Everything works the way it's supposed to. Now if you wanted to use it as a liftgate, if you were going to load something, you'd pull this lever, and what that would do is it would stop it from folding up. But for right now, I just wanted to go back up into the tuck away stage, because there's something really cool here I want to show you. Not very often you have a lift gate and a trailer hitch. How cool is this? You put that in there, you put that huge pin in there, you set that down, now you've got a heavy duty receiver hitch. Look at there, it's even got tow hooks on it right there. So the only thing is you need to remember to release this trailer hitch before you operate that lift gate, because if you don't, this is going to come down and hit that. So what this does is this goes in, and then there's a little pin right here that you lift up and you slide in and that locks it in place. Very rare to see that that type of an operation on here. This has got a screened chain box area on this side here. No rust, no anything like that. Looks like probably about a 40-gallon tank, just guessing on there. Neat little truck. Chrome mirrors on it. It's got the chrome front grille on it. It's got front tow hooks on it. And of course, being built for the federal government, it's got all of the big heavy stuff you need. Remember I was telling you about that power lift gate? Right here's a switch for it. And that's power. That's very cool. I like that a lot. So you can, there's the motor up there. And that's all there is to that. That's a very cool system. And of course we have air seat, not only just an air seat, but we also have air lumbar in there as well. And here's the reclining knob right here for it. So you've got everything you need right there. Here is the kill switch for the power lift gate. If you're not going to use that, just turn that off. And you don't have to worry about some kids or somebody going back there and getting their fingers pinched when they shouldn't be playing with it to start with. There's a electric brake controller for the trailer brakes. There we go. Get that air conditioning going. It's already 100 degrees here. So you've got an AM/FM international radio, air conditioning controls, electric brake controller, beverage holders. Oh, look at that. Powers air seats on the passenger side. You don't see that very often. I want you to look and see how clean this truck is. This is the floorboard. Holy mackerel. This is like the day that it came off the dealership show floor. So you got manual regen there. You got all the gauges you need. You got cruise control built into the steering wheel. That is showing, hopefully you can pick that up, that is showing 32,000 miles is all. And it is running. And that's important because now you can see that there's no check engine lights or any of that kind of bad, ugly stuff going on that you don't want to see. Headlight controls there, basically that's all that is. And just as clean as you can ask for. This truck is just phenomenal. It's got manual doors and door windows, door locks. Looks like it's got power mirrors though on both sides. That's kind of nice. And just as clean as the day it was made. This is a phenomenal truck. The cardboard is just here to protect the dashboard while it's sitting here, because it's going to be 115 here today, for example, and we don't want to get our dashboards ruined after they're in such nice shape. Can't say enough about this truck. 2009, 32,000, one owner, federal government miles, all the right stuff, automatic, power tarp, power liftgate, trailer hitch. You name it, this has pretty much got it. This is just a spectacular truck. So once again, it's Dave, HD Trucks and Equip. His phone number is 602-510-5444. And if you're looking for any kind of a medium or heavy duty truck, or if you have any questions on this beautiful 09 International, feel free to give me a call. Once again, we thank you very much for your time. Talk to you next time.